Hi, my name is Lori Schneider with Vig's Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of ExpertVillage, today we're going to show you how to make roasted root vegetables. Okay, so we've peeled and cleaned our red onion, and so next we're going to dice it. And for our dish, we're going to do a little bit larger slices of red onion because as they cook, they are going to shrink up just a little bit. So to do this, I'm going to make some pretty wide cuts down the length of the onion. And of course, the closer your cuts are together, the smaller your dice is going to be. So again, we're doing this pretty large, and then I'm just going to do one cut down the very center of the onion. And this cut, you want to make sure does not go all the way to the root because as you see, this root is holding all these pieces of onion together. Next, I'm going to make some slices down the length of the onion so that as you see, we've got a good sized dice going on here. And that's what this looks like here. Next, you just kind of want to break them up. Okay, looks good. And now we're going to place them onto our sheet pan with all of our other root vegetables. Excellent. And now we're ready for our next step.